Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be exploring the bustling Rawai fish market right in the heart of Phuket. So join me as I explore this seafood haven where the catch does not get any fresher than this. Okay, so we're in the Rawai Seafood Market. Phuket's well known for its seafood, talking crab, lobster, all sorts. They've got it here. What they do is there's all these stalls, so you can pick what you want and then you take it over the road to Phuket. So what's the best thing you've got, man? Oh, here we go. What's this? What even is it?
Batu crab.
Batu crab. Oh, I've never even seen this, man.
This is salad mango. Very good. Nice.
Yeah. What about you? What else have you got? What are the weird things you're going to show us?
Big lobster.
Big lobster, yeah? Wow.
7 color lobster.
Umara.
Big one.
Huge.
Soft shell crab are these?
Yeah.
Soft shell, yeah?
Good crab.
Big crab.
This is langoustine.
Big crab.
Yeah, big crab. Difficult to eat though, man, isn't it? Soft shell in a curry is much easier, isn't it?
Big langoustine.
Let's see.
Fresh, yeah? Thank you guys. Hello?
Oh my. Are you scared? Are you scared of him? Don't drop him because that's really mean. Don't let him go in there.
Now my absolute favourite Thai dish is the soft shell crab stir fried in yellow curry. If you haven't tried this yet, you really need to add this to the top of your list. How heavy is this? How much is this weight? Big one.
No. Okay.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop it. So as you saw, you choose the seafood that you want, they weigh it, you pay per price of whatever it is you've chosen, whether that be crab, prawns, lobster. They all have a different price per kilo, and then you take that across the road to one of the various restaurants and they will cook it in your preferred style. So soft shell crab in yellow curry, prawns in tamarind sauce, and just a garlic or a buttered lobster is what we went for, and it was absolutely superb. And Rawai in Phuket is certainly a very famous area for its seafood. It's not just the market that we've seen there, but also down by the pier and on the seafront area, you'll see that all of those restaurants down at that end have a similar arrangement where you're picking the seafood that you want, gets weighed and cooked in the style that you prefer. And that really is the same thing that happens on all of these places. So a very, very similar setup to what you just saw in the market.
So we wanted something sweet. We've had a little 7-Eleven stop, protein shakes obviously, but we've been eyeing these up for a while.
Yeah.
We've come past them almost every night. We haven't had one yet, but we're going to get a little roti, a little pancake. I'm going for mango and peanut butter. What, I'm getting the first bite on that?
Yeah, first bite.
Really?
Taste test.
What's this? Chopsticks or something? Isn't it? Oh, it's naughty. Started from Africa, peanut butter. You didn't want any of this, did you?
Drop me a comment, guys, if you've been here before, and while you're there, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making many more videos on Thailand, so I hope to see you in the next one.